Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you all will be fine. Today I would like to guide you for size of footing, depth and its steel reinforcement for two-story residential building. If you want to construct two-story residential building, so what should be the size, depth and steel reinforcement? So this is the topic for today. Size and depth of footing with steel reinforcement for two-story residential building, not for commercial building. So if you don't have any steel structural drawing for two-story residential building, so you can follow these steps which I am giving you in this short video. Remember guys, this is the size of footing for two-story, G plus 1. It means, as you can see guys, this is ground level. Okay, this is ground level. So here this is its footing. Okay, remember guys, this is for G plus 1 story. It means G plus 1 mean ground plus 1. So this is called two-story. So this is ground floor and this is G plus 1. So I am guiding you for G plus 1 story. Remember guys, the size of the footing should not be less than for G plus 1 story. So this is footing and this is the column size. So the size of the column should not be less than 1000 mm. Or you can say 100 centimeter or simply 1 meter. This is the size of footing. The other side is also 100 centimeter or 1000 mm. Or you can simply say 1 meter. Okay, so this is the size of footing for G plus 1. So size of footing for G plus 1 is equal 1 by 1 meter. It should not be less than this. This is the size of footing. So if you want to increase the size of footing, so it can give you the factor of safety, but it should not be less than this. Now guys, I will guide you for its depth. Okay, so what should be the depth of footing? Means this is its depth. Okay, so what should be the depth of footing? Remember guys, the depth of the footing should not be less than, this is from IS 456 2000. Okay, so now the next one is guys, depth of footing. So the depth of footing should be also not less than 1 meter, or you can say 100 centimeter. So if you want to use in feet, so in feet it should not be less than 3.3 feet. Okay, so this is in feet. This is depth of footing for G plus 1 story, but not for commercial building. This is for residential building. Now guys, I will guide you for its steel reinforcement. So inside this we are using steel reinforcement. Okay, like this guys, you can see. So these are its steel reinforcement. Okay, so here for steel reinforcement guys, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, so use 12 mm steel rod, 12 mm die of steel rod with the spacing of 15 centimeter center to center, or you can say 150 mm. Okay, so the spacing between two steel rod. Okay, so it should be 150 mm or 6 inches you can say, and the dia should be not less than 12 mm. So this is its steel reinforcement for both directions. For main bars and distribution bars, the dia should be 12 millimeter and the spacing should not be less than 6 by 6 inches or 15 by 15 centimeter, or you can say 150 by 150 millimeter. Remember guys, here let me make its section guys, you can see. So this is its section. Okay, so these are steel reinforcement. Okay, so the hooks should be provided here, this hook. Okay, so it should be also not less than 150 mm. Also it should be about 6 inches, you can say. So these hooks should be provided. Okay, and remember guys, the concrete cover, the fourth one is guys, concrete cover. The concrete cover should be 75 mm or 3 inches. This is concrete cover for all sides, for top, bottom, left and right side. Okay, remember this is concrete cover, it should not be less than 3 inches. But the depth here, the bit depth, okay, so inside the steel reinforcement plus bottom and plus top concrete cover, it should not be less than the depth. Okay, so the depth of the footing means where we are doing a steel reinforcement also to cover steel reinforcement with concrete, so its depth, this bed, okay, the first one bed, so its bed should not be less than 12 inches or you can say 300 mm. This is the depth bed. So let me guide you for depth build. Okay, so here guys, you can see this is the section of steel reinforcement and these are steel reinforcement. Okay, so here this hook is about 6 inches, so this is concrete cover at the bottom and this is at the top. Okay, so this is concrete cover and this is one side, this is the other side. Okay, so you can see guys here, this one bed should not be less than 12 inches or you can say 300 mm. This concrete cover, these are concrete also from four side. As I told you, concrete cover should not be less than 3 inches. So guys, these are steel reinforcement and size and depth of footing for G plus 1 story. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.